US dollars, so it's gonna be deducted from the total. So I'm pretty sure this is already the deduction. Hello guys, welcome to AI plus more, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can transfer money from Wise to GCash. So Wise is a PayPal competitor, and like PayPal, it also has a feature where you can send or transfer money from the website or from the app itself to another e-wallet or bank, wherever you want to send your money. Here we are currently on the Wise website, and I'll be using the Wise website or the desktop app to show you how you can send money from Wise to GCash. So right now, I don't have any cash in Wise because I'm broke, but it still will work anyway. So what you need to do is head over here to send, after which you just need to type in the amount of cash that you're sending, and of course you need to send it in peso because GCash is Filipino. So let's say I'm gonna just give $5 because I'm broke. I don't even have any money in my account right now, so it has a fee of 1.35 US dollars, so it's gonna be deducted from the total. So I'm pretty sure this is already the deduction, and it should arrive in 20 minutes. After which you just click on continue, and we just need to add a recipient. For this one, we'll just go and enter the bank details, and now we have whether you want to send to a local bank account or an e-wallet. Since we're using GCash, so let's just click on e-wallet, and if the account belongs to you, you can just click on this account belongs to me, and it should fill up the name immediately. But if the name of the GCash doesn't really match this one, you can change it there. So click on select e-wallet provider and click on GCash, and then here we need to write down the number of the GCash account. Then it will ask you what's your main reason for using Wise. Just gonna click on sending money. How much money do you expect to move with Wise? Just gonna put the lowest because I'm sure it's that. What's your main source? Salary, self-employment. Let's just put that there. All right. Yes, I'm just gonna put yes because I don't want to complicate things. So I think all of these questions is just for beginner accounts. For mine, my account is new. That is why it's gonna ask you why you're moving money to and from following the Philippines, sending money. It's gonna ask you all of these things, so you just have to answer the questions. It won't take a while. Just wait. And then what's the reason? It's the same thing again and again. I don't know why. Keep asking when sending money to the Philippines, what's wrong with sending money to the Philippines? And here we go. Here is a receipt, and you can just go ahead and continue to payment, and then it will ask you to connect your US bank account if you haven't. But if you have, then you don't need to go through this. But if you don't have this, you can go ahead and click on pay another way, and you'll have other ways to pay this. Then you can just continue to payment, and you should be good to go. As for me, I have this problem, but that's it. That is how you can send money from Wise to GCash. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.